gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you found my channel. I like to do fashion and craft DIYs and all kinds of other fun stuff. So if you like this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video. Okay guys, in today's video, I have friend mail! Yay! So I normally like to post fashion DIYs on Fridays, but unfortunately my posting schedule is a little out of whack this week because I had some unexpected events happen in my life. So I was not able to get a Fashion Friday filmed for you, but I will definitely be doing that next week. I have some really cool things planned. So I really want to get that video out there for you guys to see, and I'm really excited about it. So look forward to that next week. But in this video, I have friend mail from Jean. Her channel is called Jean's Junk. Also from Katie. Her channel is called Katie's Corner of the World. And Stephanie, the opinionated horsewoman. So Jean and Stephanie totally surprised me. I was not expecting their friend mail. I was actually going to my box to get the friend mail from Katie and got a pleasant surprise to have two more things for me. So without further ado, let's see what all three of these lovely ladies sent to me. Okay guys, so I'm going to start with the card from Stephanie, and her channel is called The Opinionated Horsewoman. If you guys have not seen Stephanie's channel, please make sure that you jump over and check her out right after you're done watching this video. She does all kinds of fun stuff on her channel, and she's very knowledgeable about makeup and things like that. So if that is your thing, make sure you jump over and check her out as soon as you're done watching this video. So here's the card. So excited. So she always puts super fun stickers on all of her stuff. She's got it loaded with all kinds of fun stickers on the back. I did slice it open, but I didn't look, so I'm not gonna let you guys sneak peek either. All right guys, let's open this up and see what fun stuff's in here. Oh my gosh, so fun. Wishing you it's exploding with a little bit of confetti, no worries. Wishing you a happy Halloween. So here is the card. Hopefully you guys can see how cute that little owl is with the pumpkin. That is just darling. So I know there's confetti in here because it started falling out. No big deal. That's awesome. I'm just going to put the confetti right here because actually guys, it's super cute and I will probably reuse it. It's like the larger confetti where it's like the spiders and stuff. It says, to the cutest little sweetie anyone's ever seen. Oh, that is adorable. Thank you, Stephanie. How fun. Look, My Little Pony. Adorable. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, that is so fun. And then I have this is a animated sloth face mask. It's infused with renewing rose. Ooh, look how fun that one looks. Look at the picture up here. Sorry, up here. That's what it's going to look like. So that is super cute and fun. I love it. Well, thank you very much, Stephanie. Stephanie, I am looking forward to trying out that mask. And thank you so much for the card and thinking of me. That is so super fun. Again, guys, make sure that you check out Stephanie's channel right after you're done watching this video. Okay, who am I going to do next? Katie or Jean? It's actually the other way around. Jean's over here, Katie's over here. Let's go ahead and grab Jean's package right here. So here's my package from Jean. Her channel is called Jean's Junk, and it says, celebrating you. It's your day. So super fun. I guess it must be my birthday present. That's what I'm guessing. Guys, if you have not checked out Jean's channel, please make sure you check her out. She does all kinds of super fun stuff. She's a very talented crafter. She doesn't share her crafting DIYs as she's making them on her channel that often. When she does, it is so incredibly awesome. She does like to share her projects that she's done, which I find extremely interesting, and she does all kinds of other fun stuff too, guys. Unboxings, vlogs, she does readings. You guys gotta check Jean out. She is just awesome. Okay guys, let's see what Jean's got in here. Oh my, sneak peek? Nope, not really. All right guys, let's put Stephanie's awesome stuff over here and see what Jean's got going on. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This looks so fun. Ah! So fun. Okay, guys. There's a card. So we're going to start with that. Let's pop it open here and see what Miss Jean has in here. I think I hear some confetti. Maybe I don't. Oh, how cute. It says happy birthday with a flamingo on it. Oh, thank you, Jean. I do feel some confetti falling out of it. That's okay. We're going to pop this open. Oh, have fun. Oh, and then we have a couple of stickers. Okay, let me put the confetti down here, but I'm going to pop one up so that you guys can see it. How cute is that? It says happy birthday on it. I could totally reuse that. I will think of an awesome craft for that. But it says, hey peep, just reminding you that you are flamazing. Hope your birthday is equally flamazing. Just need Jean. How fun. Amber, didn't know when your birthday was. Just know that I was wishing you one back when it was. Happy very late birthday. No worries at all, Jean. Thank you. That's so nice of you to send me anything at all. That is so sweet. I love it. Okay, so then she has these super cute stickers. One is a light bulb. That's just darling. Love that. Can't wait to put that on something. Be kind to every kind. Love it. We got a cow, a pig, a sheep, and a rooster. How awesome is that? Love it, love it, love it. That is so cute, guys. Okay, we got some other fun stuff. Oh, it's a zipper. Does it work? It works. It's a zipper bracelet. Look at that, guys. It actually matches what I have on, so I should put it on. But look at that. It actually, like, unzips, and then you can zip it back. How fun is that? So how do I put it on, though? Oh, there we go. All right, so we're just going to sport this because it actually matches what I have on right now. Provided I can get it on. Why do I bore you guys with some of the stuff that I do? I just really wanted to put it on, but it's not really working for me. But this is so super cute. I'm definitely going to wear it. Totally my style. Awesome. What do we got here? Sparkling gems detail strips. Oh, the possibilities, guys. Look how fun. I am working on so many awesome crafts, and I'm going to have a DIY video for Christmas where I do all glam DIYs, so I could totally use those for that. Thank you so much, Jean. Ooh, yes! 3D sticker story! Yeah! And it's Transformers, so I get to put these cool glasses on. It's supposed to be for kids 3+, but you know, I'm plus, right? I'm so excited. Look at these awesome stickers. Guys, that is so awesome. I'm totally going to use those stickers for something super fun. I have tons of fun geeky DIYs coming up. Unfortunately, with the events that happened in my life this week, I wasn't able to get my geeky DIY video up. So I'm going to have like double the DIYs in next week's video. It is going to be super awesome. Okay, so now we have Spa-scriptions collagen under eye pads. Awesome. I love these things, guys. My eyes need so much help. This is going to be awesome. Thank you so much, Jean. So fun. And then we have, a peel-off mask. Yes! I love my peel-off mask. I'm not familiar with Earth Therapeutics, but it's a pro-organic peel-off mask. I am sure it's probably fabulous, and I can't wait to give it a try. I actually think I saw her show this in a video, and she accidentally bought it. She meant to buy one that was not a peel-off mask because she's not a fan. She knows that I am, so she passed it off to me. So awesome. Yes, I actually have similar stickers like this, and this is so awesome because I'm going to be using them in my geeky DIYs. Look how fun those are, guys. I absolutely love them. Yay! I love how it has all the fun, you know, comic booky kind of stuff. That is awesome. Yay! And then we have some retinol rejuvenating, smoothing, revitalizing facial sheet mask. So that's awesome too. I am not a huge fan of sheet mask, but anytime somebody sends one to me, I do use it. But that's not my first pick. I prefer like a mud mask or a peel-off mask are my favorites. Oh, look how pretty these are. Starburst gems. These are awesome. Guys, these are going to be so awesome for my glam DIYs. I can't wait to get started on those. That is so super fun. Yay! And then we got more. Oh my gosh, these are going to be so awesome. So this is an adhesive pearl wrap. How fun's that going to be for Christmas DIYs? It's gold, it's pearls. What more do I need? Nothing. That is going to be super fun, Jean. Thank you so much. These are awesome. Look at the one where she has her wings. This is so fun. They're 3D Wonder Woman stickers. Look at that, guys. Yay! That is so fun. Guys, Wonder Woman. I have so much Wonder Woman stuff that I'm going to have like a full tree of Wonder Woman, I'm pretty sure, for the holidays because I have that much stuff that I can pull that off. And then I have one more thing in here. It's an adhesive pearl wrap in the traditional white pearl color. That is going to be super fun for my glam DIYs as well. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Jean. So much fun for all of my DIYs. Again, guys, please make sure that you guys check out her channel right after you're done watching this video. And then I got one more, guys, from Katie. And her channel is called Katie's Corner of the World. I do love watching Katie. She's so knowledgeable about things. And she gives you some really good advice and tips. And I just really enjoy watching her channel. And I think that you guys will too. So make sure that you check Katie out as soon as you're done watching this video. And let's see what Katie has in store for me. So super fun. And her little top front here says Katie's Corner of the World. Love how she has the customized label. If I can spit that out. My brain's still not working, guys. I think I'm traumatized from the events that happened earlier this week. But I'm doing okay, guys. I need this friend mail so bad. And honestly, I wasn't sure I was going to be able to unbox it at all from what was happening. But I'm able to, so I'm really excited. And this looks like so much fun. She's got some super fun stickers on the front. Look at that, guys. We're obviously going to go ahead and start with the card. Look at the super cute purple pumpkin on the back. That is just darling. Oh, so fun, guys. I love friend mail. Oh, it's a Peanuts card. Most people don't get excited about this kind of stuff, but I do. But it says, hope your Halloween is more fun than you can shake a broomstick at. That is awesome. It says, hi, Amber. Just a few treats for you and Noah at Halloween. Hope you are both doing well. Best, Katie from Katie's Corner of the World. Oh, that is awesome. You guys, did you see the Peanuts card? I'm not even sure I showed you that part. That is just darling. I love Peanuts. So super fun. I'm going to have some Peanuts DIYs coming up for the holiday season because I'm going to do at least one tree in Peanuts. So that'll be super fun. Let's see where to start. Let's start right here. What do we have? Mystery box bubbles. This bag is, what is this? Bubble scoops? Oh, so it's like bath bombs, but they smell so good. They're calling them bubble scoops. I'm not familiar with this company. I don't know if anybody else is, but I'll definitely let you guys know how these work. I'm really excited to try them out. My son loves these. I mean, he loves these. Oh, I can't wait to try these. I'm definitely not familiar with this one, but this one smells so good. Really excited about that. Ooh, we have another bath bomb in here. Yay! Vanilla bath bomb from allaboutvelour.com. Oh, it smells so good, guys. Yay. Again, another company I'm not familiar with, but I am super excited to try that out for my little boy. Again, he just loves these bath bombs. They are so super fun for him. And then we got one more thing in here. How fun, how fun. All wrapped up in some spiderweb bag. That is awesome. Let's open this up and see what she's got in store for me. I hope I can get it open here. Here we go. Oh, so good. Cannot wait to eat that candy. Animated facial mask. A pore refining egg white. Oh, that's fun. I've never tried an egg white. Look how fun that is, guys. I love it. It's a Halloween theme face mask. That is super fun. Kind of makes me think I should do a mask Monday, but I probably won't. I'm just saying. I'm going to put it out there. I probably won't do it, but it makes me feel like I should. I'm not going to. Thank you, Katie. That is so awesome. Interested in the egg white sheet mask. Okay, then we got a little, oh, look at this cauldron. Happy Halloween. How adorable is that? She put some candy in it. I could totally see myself decorating with this, though. It is so super cute. Will look awesome in my kitchen. So then we have some Halloween pretzels. Oh, this is so fun. I didn't know people did some fun stuff for Halloween. And then we have some other little candies in there. That is so awesome. Oh, these are so fun. Thank you so much, Katie. I'm so excited. Again, guys, you have to check out Katie's channel. Please make sure you jump over and check her out. And check out all the lovely ladies that I mentioned in this video. Jean from Jean's Junk, Stephanie, the opinionated horsewoman, and Katie from Katie's Corner in the World. They are three absolutely lovely ladies, and I am so lucky that I have friends like that who send me these lovely things. Just let me know that they're thinking about me. And this came at a perfect time because I really do need the boost. And this awesome shirt. How awesome is this shirt? I just love it. Came from Lois from Life with Lois's. I did my makeup with the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Obviously, I used the blue, purple, orange, and red for all of the turtles, and I put some green on my lid. And then sporting these green earrings that I got in a mystery bag. I thought they were perfect for this outfit. Thank you so much for this, Lois. I absolutely love this shirt. It is amazing. You guys, I'm working on my geeky area, and I'm going to have that set up pretty soon. So a lot of the things that I got in some of these bags, like the Jeans Junk stickers and stuff like that, you're going to see in that area. Cannot wait till it's done. I ordered some risers and stuff to make it look nice. And I'm going to show that to you guys very soon. I'm really excited about it. I can't wait. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! And click that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video. Okay, guys, so, I don't know where to start. Okay. I will be bringing the Fashion Fridays back very soon, but unfortunately, there was no way I was going to have enough time to film one for this week, but I have friend mail. That didn't work. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm going to start with the card from Stephanie. And again, guys, her channel is called Stephanie. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's called The Opinionated Horsewoman. Nope. I'm just changing her name. Wow. Try it again.